Hello world! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. We are here with my fourth graders doing a quick little mini lesson on multiplying whole numbers by a fraction. So here would be the whole number, which will be 4, and here is your fraction, which is 2/3. Remember, when we think about fractions, we think about our numerator and our denominator. We don't want to spend time in the fourth grade saying, oh, my top number and my bottom number. We've graduated our thinking from using those terms. So the correct mathematical terms will be numerator and, if you could call out if you remember, denominator. Then I want to think, I started my drawing my fraction model. I recommend when you are first learning to multiply whole numbers by a fraction to try with a model first. So very quickly, you can see that what Mr. Griffith did was he created 4 equal pieces. How did I know to create 4 equal pieces? Because I know that my whole number is, you can call out, 4. And then I knew I had to divide that for those 4 whole pieces into 3 pieces, so I used my, what do we call this? Denominator to guide me. And if you notice, my numerator told me how many pieces. Let's use the pink so it stands out a little more. So you notice here I divided 2, and you want to be as neat as possible, not just for your teacher to see how neat it is, but you can see your work if you have to go back and review. So here I'm going to continue by dividing that. Then I'm going to come here and continue the same idea. Think of it sometimes also as a pattern. I like to tell children to use models because it makes what you're doing a little easier to understand and explain. You might even be able to help one of your classmates. And then I continue here. Now, oops, I'm not finished. Let's do one more. I know, right? Laugh, right, Shakira? So when we think about this, we see, 2/3, 2/3, 2/3, 2/3. Here's another quick tip that Mr. Griffith likes to do as well with his models. Let's get a green color here. I like to label my models, so I encourage you to do the same when you're getting ready to try. 2/3, you can call out, so I should put here what? 2/3 here, so here will be?
2/3.
You can call out for the next one.
2/3.
And?
2/3.
So now, Mr. Griffith has, and you can call out, how many 2/3?
4 2/3.
How many of them?
4.
4. And here is my whole number 4. And then I can see that I can count by single digits. I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I'm in the 4th grade. I know how to count by 2s. I can do 2, count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8. And then I know that my fraction, or my answer rather, will be 8 over
3.
not 4,
3.
3. I keep my denominator. Now this becomes an improper fraction. In the next video, I'll show you how to convert or change this into a proper fraction. So I encourage you to go back and watch this video, pause it, and then you can try to come up with your whole number, your fraction, and see if you can make a model and figure out the answer. So I'll see you in part 2.
Stop it.
Okay, Miss.